In this video, I'll show you how to download and install FL Studio on your Windows laptop or PC for free. FL Studio is one of the most popular music production software programs, and with the trial version, you can explore the interface, create beats, test plugins, and start learning how everything works. To begin, open Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Download FL Studio and press Enter. From the search results, open the official FL Studio website. Make sure you use the official website, so you don't download any unsafe or modified installer. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description so you can access it faster. Once you're on the FL Studio download page, look for the Windows version and click the download button. The installer file is quite large, so the download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, or the folder where the file was saved. Now double-click the FL Studio installer to open it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The FL Studio Setup window will now appear. Click Next to begin the installation. Read through the license agreement, then click I agree. Next, choose Install for all users, then click Next. On the Components page, make sure FL Studio plugins, and ASIO drivers are selected. The ASIO drivers are especially useful because they help reduce audio delay when you are recording, playing instruments, or working with sounds inside FL Studio. After that, click Next. Now, leave the installation location as default, unless you want to install FL Studio in a different folder. Then click Next again. When everything is ready, click Install. Now, wait while FL Studio installs on your computer. This may take a few moments, so just let the setup finish. Once the installation is complete, click Next. If it appears, then click Finish to close the installer. To open FL Studio, go to the Start menu, type FL Studio, and press Enter. When FL Studio opens, you can log in with your ImageLine account if you already have a license. This will unlock the full version. If you don't have a license yet, you can still use the free trial to explore the software, create projects, test sounds, and get familiar with the tools. Just keep in mind that the trial version has some limitations, so if you plan to use FL Studio seriously, you may need to purchase a license later. And that's it. FL Studio is now installed on your Windows laptop or PC, and you're ready to start making music, beats, melodies, or full projects. If this guide helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.